Molly McCarter was an 18-year-old girl, a bright student that had a promising future. Molly was finishing up her senior year of high school. She had plans for the future and had already planned out her first year of college. She was especially excited about starting the next chapter of school, where she'd be attending the University of Oregon. This would be her first life experience of adulting, and it never looked so good. Fast forward a little bit, Molly was driving home. It was 4 weeks from graduation. Molly had just left the pep rally at school when a distracted driver crossed the center lane and ran right into Molly, head on. Unfortunately, the driver was in a large vehicle, and Molly, in a small car, was left unrecognizable. Molly was killed instantly, and her plans for the future too. A memory was all that the family had left. A life that promised great potential and success was instantly taken away by a distracted driver glancing at their phone. This is why we came up with Text to Life. It's an app that takes initiative towards saving people's lives, one car ride at a time, while incentivizing people anywhere from their teens to late adulthood to stay off their phone while behind the wheel. Whether you're a student, work professional, or in your retirement years, the app has different avenues to incentivize those who consistently use it. For example, students who are in school and looking for a way to pay their tuition, each time the app is activated for a commute, your name is then submitted to the university of your choice for a yearly drawing of free tuition. The problem we're trying to solve here, to prevent people from being distracted by their devices while driving, in order to decrease the number of incidents that occur each year due to technology-related distractions. What our purpose is? Providing an avenue to prevent distracted driving by allowing people to take initiative towards this epidemic that we face, while in turn incentivizing people to use the app. The key benefit: this app helps us take a step forward towards ending distracted driving, and it saves lives while also being rewarded for developing and maintaining good driving habits. Now I know what you're thinking. How does it work? Easy. Download the app, log in with your credentials, save lives. This app works by deactivating all options for distractions other than GPS, incoming and outgoing calls, and of course, the music selection of your choice. The app is activated by vehicular movement, Bluetooth sync to your car, or setting the GPS destination and clicking go. This app has been made possible by its donors through a non-profit initiative that is set out for once and all to end distracted driving. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.